What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan back with another video. Doing a video on showing you my customized lock screen and my theme that I did. It's a bunch of apps, but basically it's a bunch of my phone is not rooted. You know, I haven't done that yet, but I might soon, so I can get these cool themes. But for now, I'm just sticking with these customized Go launcher themes, ones that you usually don't get, but you know. Alright, so let's start the video. And I'm also going to be doing gaming thing right now. But as you can see, that's my laptop in the background. Close that. First, it starts out with the time, military time, and then you have the regular time and all that up there. And then you have the 2013, 12, 17 right there. I don't know if you can see that. And it says Tuesday, and it says no alarm, and then it says Beech Grove, Indiana, and it says snowy, and then it has the temperatures and all that. And if I hold it down, you can see that it goes to either just open lock, phone call, or I don't know what that one is. This one is messages. Okay, so let's do that again. Oh, the phone's a little big with the case on it, but as you can see, let's hold it down, go to calls, type in a number. I want to, I forgot the number, so let's just do a random number. Oh, too many. Now, this is, I guess you could call it a prank.
The subscriber you have dialed is not in service. If you feel you've received this message in error, please hang up and try your call again later. Message OH9.
Alright, well that's that. Go out here, go back. Okay, that didn't work. There we go. Open up, let's unlock it. As you can see, it has this weird design, and I don't know if you guys can see that. If I get close, maybe. You got this weather app, Beech Grove. It's 19 degrees Fahrenheit right now, 8:37 p.m. Doing the video late, you could say, or mildly late. Here you got like your normal bar that would be up here, but I just put it right there. Don't know if you can see that. It's got your Wi-Fi, your alarm, and all that crap. Then same with this, just it looks a little different. Then you go over here, then you got your, then I put my calendar, and then my like Netflix and Pandora, and then here I just my games, which I'll show in a little. Then I go back over, and here I got my music, Facebook, my camera and all that. That's Zedge. And then here I just threw a bunch of crap in there. Not really important. Then you go over here. Then you have this battery app, which shows how much battery life you have. And all of that. I have 47%. And then now you go back over. Then you have my music. I guess I'll show a little music. Okay. It's fairly loud. Let's do something else. No. Okay, see? And then if I pull out, if I put it like that, and then I get my headphones wherever they are. Give me a second, guys. Can go get them. Alright, I'm back. I guess I'll show you some, like, you got these beats right here. I don't know if you can hear them that well. Pin up. I don't know how well you can hear them or whatever, but obviously you got that clicking. But it's not a review on the Beats. It's a review on the phone. Or it's not a review. It's showing you how I customize my thing. Like I said, it's pretty loud. That is Liars and Monsters by unknown artist. But I'll figure out who it is. Whoops. Dang it. I hate when that happens. That's a battery. Ignore that. And then, alright, we can see you can go like this on it too. And then it'll cope with you. It'll put everything on the side, as you can see. And then, if you click this, my bad, the camera's kinda, you know, whatever. But if you click the multitask button, it brings up recent apps. And then you can just slide them. I'm pretty sure I showed. I'm not gonna do that. And then if you hold it, then you can go to your your settings. You can wallpaper, themes, go store, news, settings, preferences, edit, blah 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 blah, all that crap. And then let's see. This is your your Go launcher settings, or you can go back. Go to this one, go to original, click it, and then it'll go straight there. And I guess I'll show you guys again that I'm running 4.2.2. Let's see if that works. Or maybe I hold it. There we go. As you can see, the colors are kind of messed up, distorted, whatever you want to call it. But you got your see, Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. It's got your background, whatever it is, back there, and that's obviously that. And then if you go here, which is the where your multi or wherever your apps are, whatever you want to call it, then you have like your pages. I have 4 at the moment. It goes up depending on the amount of things you have downloaded and what was on your phone originally. You click like this little Android thing and it goes to all these different apps. You have to backspace twice to get out of it. Then there's the taskbar, whatever you want to call it. Has sortings, new folder, auto folder, settings, and clean catch. And then if you click the weird looking symbol up there, click it, then it goes to stuff like this, and then you can slide that over a few times. You got like next browser, swipe panel, and toucher pro, and then it goes back to, or then it go back up pro, and it goes back to next browser. Then you have your widgets, your app manager, your hide apps, and more themes. At the bottom it gives you your recent apps that you have done, like Chrome and all that crap. And then I've shown you the music. Who don't know that? Guess I'll show you a text. Ignore I have no here. Let's add a new one. Let's go blah 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 blah. As you can see, normal text, or you like, hi, how are you doing today? I pay doing period, send. That's what it'll look like. Or you can add all these like faces and stuff. You go to this birthday present, you can add all these. If you click add, you can add capture photo, capture video, record video, contacts, pictures, videos, audio, and calendar. Then if you go over, it's slideshow, and then go back. So, and then I guess I shall show you how fast it'll load Netflix. Like I said, it should be fast. I was watching Dexter, I guess. Don't remember. Okay, well, shout out to Dexter because I'm about to show you a little episode, I guess. I'll show you how fast it loads and how fast the video goes. How good the quality of the
fuck is it?
The videos are. I don't know how much PPI it is. Maybe I'm just gonna say like 240. I'm not sure.
I know it's late, but I've had the worst day.
And let's see if we skip it. It's buffering. See how long it takes to buffer. Let's see, like I said, pretty fast. Alright, then let's get to the important things.
What about your turn? These folks want to enjoy their family time alone.
Let's go to the important things. It takes a little while because obviously it's not a rooted phone, so it's going to be a little slow. Let's do Tank Hero just for the hell of it. Actually, hang on. I'm going to have somebody else do this while I hold the camera so it'll turn out better. Alright. Let's see. Come on now. Apparently, okay, continue. Well, it's upside down. But, what the hell?
3, 2.
That sucks. Alright. Can I play it like this? No. So, alright. Here, hold this. Hold it. Alright, no. As you can see, I don't know. Pretty smooth. I don't know how well you can see that. You have to shoot him. You just click the screen to shoot. Well, yeah, he died. So we'll do another.
3, 2.
We'll do another game. We can do. Let's do Vector. That's a good one. Hold this real fast. Don't click anything and mess it up like last time. Alright, you get to play this one too. Oh, look at that. It's... Alright. We can watch this, I guess. Shout out to Victor or Vector, I forget what it's called. It's a fun game. My bad, I'm a little shaky, you know. Just got done working out. No, that was probably, that's a joke. But although I have Christmas break in soon, very soon, me and my friend, we're gonna go to the gym for those remainder of the 2 weeks, and we're just gonna work out, try to get a little bit fit, you know. And this is getting boring, but I'm just showing you this so you can see that there's no lag during videos. This is a fun game. Get ready. Actually, no, never mind. I guess this game, I guess it's about, I don't know what it's about, like some guy that wasn't obeying. I did a review on the case, but I can't find the file, so I think I'm just gonna add that in my video real fast. Vector, that's what it's called, Vector. And then, so it'll be like a review of the case and how fast the phone runs. Close, go to play. Alright, let's go over. Oh, that's right. I forgot that I deleted all. You ready? Forgot I deleted all my app data, so. Alright, so it's gonna tell you how to play and all that. With this 4.5 QHD screen, games turn out good. I'm not sure how they'll turn out on this camera though. It's only 16 megapixels. I think it can only record in 480p. I'm not sure. I'll try to invest in a new camera sooner or later, but you know, it's just, I'm only 14. It's hard to come by money. But yeah, after that, see, games run smooth as you can tell. Little to no lag, like there's no lag at all. Get a little bit closer. And then after he beats this, then we'll go to a different game really fast, and then I have to do a review. Alright, he beat it. Like, he got 3 stars, well done. And then, obviously, most games have ads. We don't want an ad, go away. Alright. And then we'll go and play one more game. Deer Hunter, is that fine? Yeah, Deer Hunter. Shout out to the creators of Deer Hunter because it's a fun game. Hopefully the data did not erase on this one because I'll be a little pissed off because I was at the 3rd region. I forget what it was. It goes... I forget all the region's name. Why is it upside down? Really? There we go. Deer Hunter 214. Or 2014, whatever. It says checking for updates. Obviously that's gonna go a little bit slow, but it should decent, like. And I'm not sure if they're gonna receive the KIK, I think they're called, or KIK updates. But we'll see. I know the S4 and all, the S3 and all that, all those received it, but I'm not too sure if the Alcatel will receive it. Hopefully, keep my hopes up. And I'm thinking that my data was deleted on this game because it wouldn't be taking so long if it wasn't deleted. But I guess you guys will bear with me. I'll tell you what, when to skip. I'll have like skip to 20 minutes. I think I can only do a 23-minute video, I believe. It's taking forever. You know what? Forget it. I ain't got time. Here, got this. Alright, I'm gonna show you taking off the case and crap. What you do to take the case off, you'll pull this part off, boom, off, then you'll have the yellow, you pull that off, boom, then you have the case itself. To pull the back off, there's this little, like, thing right here. I don't know how well you can, here, there. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's this little thing right here. You just pull it off. It's a non-removable battery, 1,800 milliamps. On a daily use, going to school, using it, I would say it's actually pretty good. I'm surprised because I was gonna get the LG Optimus L9, but decided to get this one. It runs micro SIM card. I got that 30 gigabyte card in there, which, or 32, I forget what it is. It's expandable up to 32, I believe. It has 4 gigs of internal memory, which I believe, don't quote me on it, which is about 2.1 of consumer use, but it said that's it. Alright, put that to the side, ignore that. And now here is the case. Got the foam part. You got your cutout for the camera. I don't know what that is. The speaker. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Headphone jack. Power button. Volume rockers. At the bottom, obviously, charging port. Put that to the side. This is what goes on it. Here, I'll hold it. there's too many shadows. I don't know how good this is coming out because it's like kind of red in my room for some reason. Maybe that's the color distortion. But I guess I'll put the case on really fast and like throw it at the wall or something. See if it like comes off. We'll see. I think I just put this on wrong. Here. There. Alright. I'm not going to throw it hard. Don't want to get yelled at. Like I said, only 14. Case is on. Ignore the dirty room. I'm going to throw it at the wall. Alright. The results of it. No, don't touch it. Sorry. I don't know how well you can see that. Here, I'm going to pick it up anyways. The results of it, where the black part came off. This came off, as you can see. No scratches, no dents or whatever you want to say, depending on. The one thing that is a little annoying about this case is fingerprints. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's major fingerprints on the back part. Obviously, you just wipe them off. Here, maybe I can get a better view on the laptop. Obviously, you wipe them off. They'll come off. All that good stuff. But that's about it. I give the case 8 out of 10 because it's stylish, looks very good on the phone. I've got many compliments like, oh, nice case, I love it, black and yellow, that's my favorite, just because of that stupid song. No offense, Drake. I think it's Drake, yeah, or Chris Brown. I don't even know. I don't listen to that kind of music. But yeah, it's durable, lasts a while, and overall feels good in the hand. So everyday use, consumer ready, all that good stuff. And then okay, I've showed you that, and now I'll take it away, or I'll have Google take it away by going. I forgot how to do this on the new. Yeah, next. Yes, I am. Next. Alright. Boom, it's 25 degrees. How old is Barack Obama?
Barack Obama is 52 years old.
And there you have it. Our president is 52 years old. That's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos. I do all kinds of videos like Minecraft videos. I do reviews, unboxings of like headphones. Like as you can see, those are my SMS audios right there. I might do a few hat things. I do League of Legends videos, all that. Well, that's about it. See ya. Peace out.